Understanding Raster Images, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of digital images, specifically focusing on raster images. Understanding raster images is crucial in fields like graphic design, digital photography, and web development. So, let's break it down in a simple way that's easy for everyone to understand. Raster images are a common type of digital image. Unlike vector images, which are made up of lines and shapes, raster images are composed of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel contains color information, and when you look at a raster image from a distance, these pixels blend together to form a complete picture. One key characteristic of raster images is their resolution dependency. This means the quality of the image is directly tied to its pixel density. High-resolution images have more pixels and are clearer and more detailed. However, if you enlarge a raster image too much, it becomes pixelated or blurry, as the individual pixels become more visible. Raster images come in various file formats. The most common ones include JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP. Each format has its unique features and uses. For example, JPEG is great for photographs, PNG supports transparent backgrounds, GIF is used for animations, and BMP offers high quality at the cost of larger file sizes. Raster images are widely used due to their versatility. They're ideal for photographs, detailed graphics, and web images where color depth and detail are important. However, they are not the best choice for images that need to be scaled up significantly, as they lose quality when resized. I hope this video has helped you understand what raster images are and how they differ from other types of digital images. Remember, knowing the right type of image to use can make a huge difference in your digital projects. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.